Ever feel like your project data is trapped in the wrong Basecamp account, making collaboration a total nightmare? Today, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly export one project to another in Basecamp, so you can kiss those collaboration headaches goodbye. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the project you want to export. We'll call it the old project and click on the project settings menu. In the upper right corner, it's usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Move or Copy this project. This will open a new window with transfer options. You'll see several options here if you want to move the project to a different Basecamp account that you own or have access to. Choose the Another Account option. Alternatively, to move it to a new project within the same Basecamp account, select the Another Project option. A drop-down menu will appear listing all available accounts or projects. Depending on your previous choice, select the destination account or project where you want to transfer the data. We will be calling this the new project. Basecamp will ask whether you want to copy or move the project. Copying leaves the original project intact, while moving will delete it from the old location. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, Basecamp will start transferring all the project data, including files, discussions, to-dos, and schedules. The time it takes depends on the size of your project. And that's it. Once the transfer is complete, you'll find all the data and files in your new project, ready for you and your team to pick up right where you left off. Happy collaborating!